Hey, this video found you for a reason, okay? There's a situation going on in your life, and we're going to talk about it, okay? So pull up a chair. We need to talk about this. This might be something that you're not even discussing with your friends because it's kind of embarrassing. And you're hoping it's all in your head, but what if it's not? What if it's your intuition? If this is ringing a bell, then this video found you. It's a synchronicity. You're supposed to hear what I have to say because I'm going to clear it up. We're going to channel spirit right now, and we're going to get to the bottom of it because look right here, right away at the bottom of the deck, the Queen of Swords. You run in clarity, okay? It's been on your mind. Swords are about words and thoughts, right? And this is the Queen of Swords. It's like, this has been on your mind. It might be manifesting as dreams, right? Because that sword energy. What? Or it could just be thoughts that are popping in your head, thoughts that are crossing your mind. Things are happening all around you that make you think of it too. This baby. This baby. Okay. Oh no, the Five of Swords came out. The Five of Swords came out. Okay. This is a fear you have. You're afraid you're going to find out of a betrayal. Okay? That's what's on your mind. You're afraid that maybe somebody is not being completely honest. Okay? Just because the Five of Swords comes out does not mean it's like, what is happening? Okay? I'm picking up on, this is a worry. This is a fear you have. Okay? The World came out. You're in a lot better of a position than you realize. You really are. You were in a good position, the Hermit. The Hermit. What is this telling me? It's okay if you have to go inward for a little bit. It's okay if you need to go inward and be alone for a little bit. I'm seeing the Nine of Pentacles and I'm seeing the Eight of Pentacles. We're not facing an issue right now. We're running away from it. What we need to do is we need to dive deep in our emotions. I'm seeing the King of Cups. Yeah, the King of Cups, but I feel that this card is for you. Okay, because cups are about emotions. You're not dealing with the emotions. I'm seeing the King of Swords, so two kings in a row. And it's like, take what's happening in your mind and speak it. Don't let it linger in your mind for much longer. The Page of Swords, speak it. Get it all out. And I'm seeing the Queen of Pentacles. When you can do that, you're going to feel a lot more stable and secure. You can be more grounded because that energy is not going to be rattling you around anymore. Okay? Because I feel like it's throwing you off kilter. And you know what they say, what's true, what I know is whatever we are emanating inside, the physical world reflects back to us in the form of manifestations, right? So if you're feeling this energy of the Five of Swords, if you're feeling like there's a betrayal going to happen, then guess what? Just like we cast a stone in the pond and the ripples come back, that's what's going to happen, right? There's going to be little things that keep happening that make you feel like that is what's happening, right? And if you keep on that track, it is what will happen because that's just the law of the universe. That's how it works. So you need to be careful about what you're thinking. And you're like, I know, but how do I get it out of my head? Like, I'm thinking this for a reason. Like, how do I change that? And, speak it. You need to have a conversation. Have a conversation. Have the conversation. And then the dust can be settled. And then when you get it out of your brain, it won't be in your head anymore. And then you can be more grounded and stable. And then the energy of being grounded and stable is what will be reflected back to you. Okay, so I hope this helps someone. Let me know in the comments if it did. Make sure to follow me. There might be a reading that you're supposed to hear.